In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gmail error that says this phone number cannot be used for verification. This is a very common issue, and it usually happens because of VPN conflicts, a number that is already attached to another Google account, or too many failed verification attempts in a short period of time. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix it with a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Let's start with the first step. Turn off your VPN before you try to verify your phone number. If your VPN is on, Google may detect a different country or location than the one connected to your phone number, and that mismatch can trigger a verification block. So disconnect your VPN completely, refresh the page, and then try the verification again using your regular internet connection. If you are still seeing the same message, the next thing to check is whether your phone number is already attached to another Google account. Google often limits how many accounts can use the same number, especially if that number has been used for verification too many times. To fix that, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're in your Google account, click on Personal Info, then go to Contact Info and select Phone. From there, look for the phone number and remove it from any unused or old Google accounts where it is saved. This step is important because if your number is tied to another account that you no longer use, Google may continue blocking it when you try to verify a new account. After removing it, wait a little while before trying again. In some cases, Google needs time to refresh its verification system. Now for the third step, if you've already tried multiple times and the error still appears, you should wait 24 to 48 hours before attempting verification again. Too many failed attempts in a short period can temporarily flag the number, and trying over and over again usually makes the problem worse. So give it some time, then come back later and try again with the same number. When you return, make sure the VPN is still off, your phone number is not being used on another account, and you are entering the number correctly with the right country code. Then, repeat the verification process one more time. Most users are able to solve this issue by simply disconnecting their VPN, removing the number from old accounts, and waiting long enough for Google's system to reset. If the error still continues after that, you may need to try a different phone number or contact Google support for additional help. I hope this helped you fix the Gmail verification error. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Gmail and Google account troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.